brilliant minds! You have just stepped into the Young Scientist School.
Milo, I am your urinary bladder. I am getting very full. Please go to pee.
This game is very crazy. Just last level. 5 more minutes, please.
You are telling me the same thing again and again. This is an emergency.
What happens when you hold your urine for too long again and again? Does the bladder burst? Does urine leak back into the body? And most importantly, how much can a human safely hold it?
Oh, Dr. Jojo, why are you here? I have stopped playing with coins and magnets as you advised me before.
I have come here because your bladder is calling for help, and you are ignoring him. It is time to look inside your body again, but this time it will be Kidney Factory. Welcome to Kidney Factory. Kidneys are bean-shaped organs that clean and filter our blood. Your kidneys filter about 180 liters of blood every day. Kidneys remove waste and extra water from blood and turn it into urine, which finally lands into urinary bladder. Let's look deeper inside urinary bladder. When the urine reaches to about 150 to 250 milliliters, then the bladder will politely say,
Maybe it is the bathroom time.
At 300 to 400 milliliters, the bladder sends a strong pee signal and feels a little stretched. When the urine level reaches to 450 to 600 milliliters, the bladder sends an emergency red signal to pee.
Remember, Milo, occasionally holding urine is harmless.
But do we get often?
Science says that's a different story. Bladder gets too stretched, and if this keeps happening, bladder lost its stretching power. Stored urine helps bacteria grow that can cause urinary tract infections, that is, UTIs. Sometimes the urine flows back to kidneys and damage them. In extreme cases, which are very rare, bladder just can't wait anymore and it bursts. This is our complete urinary system, Milo. Urine flows from the kidneys through 2 tubes called ureters, reach the bladder, and finally go out of the body through urethra. I think you understood the whole situation. So, the best time to pee is when you feel the first urge. That is generally about every 3 to 4 hours.
I like being emptied on time.
Thank you very much, Doctor. No game is worth hurting my body. Please let me go to the bathroom.
Thank you, Milo. Perfect timing.
Great choice, Milo. Remember to listen at the first urge, not the last alarm.
So, pee breaks make me a better gamer too?
Absolutely. Healthy body equals better focus.
Sip, sip water all day long. Sip, sip water all day long. Bathroom breaks help you stay strong. Bathroom breaks help you stay strong. Feel the urge, don't delay. Feel the urge, don't delay. Every 3-4 hours, that's the way. Every 3-4 hours, that's the way.
A happy bladder keeps you healthy. Your body talks.
Please be a good listener.
If you learned something today, please tap like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.